Team Fullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. I want to come and do a quick unboxing on a mic that I picked up from AliExpress. I already have a mic that I use to do voiceover when I'm editing on my phone, and I also have a mic that I use to do voiceover when I'm editing on my laptop. I have the Blue Yeti mic that I use on the laptop, and I have a mic that I use on my phone, but I don't have those mic that you hang on your clothes and whilst you are speaking, those like mic that you can walk around. I don't have those. So I saw this affordable mic on AliExpress. I decided to pick it up. The reason why I decided to pick this affordable one is because I already have two expensive mic that I'm using. I'm very comfortable with those. I just wanted to try something different, like, you know what, maybe when I'm doing like get ready with me, or I'm doing the makeup, I want to talk during the makeup tutorial, I want to have the mic on my shirt and then talking to you guys. I want to test the qualities of those of that type of mic. So I decided to pick something on AliExpress and it just came in. This is what it looks like. I saw a really great review on the mic, so reasons why I decided to pick it up. Right now I'm just doing this video with the microphone on the on my phone itself. I'm not using any external mic. So yeah, let's do a quick unboxing this box and let's see what the mic look like. So this is what the box look like. So I got the one for iPhone, so this is what it looks like. I wanted to get this one at the store here, but it was a little bit more expensive. Like I said, I already have two mic that I use when I want to do voiceover, and I have my Blue Yeti mic, so I didn't want anything really expensive, you know. It's just something I just want to try, because these days I have been recording a lot on my phone. It's much more easier when you are doing phone recording than using camera editing. It takes a lot. I feel like doing recording videos on my phone has given me the opportunity to able to make more videos and be more consistent with my upload. So I'm now just focusing on recording my videos with my camera and just be consistent, and as time goes, I have more time, I'll switch back to my camera, because I really have a really nice camera that I purchased over €1,000 and I'm just not using it. But definitely I'll go back to my cameras. Certain content I'll go to my cameras, and certain content I just prefer my phone because it's much more easier. The camera on the phone is very, very nice. I also love it. So this is what the mic look like, and now let's just open it. I have a scissor somewhere here. I love when I was like, oh my god. So this is what the microphone look like. This is so beautiful. So this is what it looks like. This is beautiful. I love it. You can purchase one mic or two mic. I decided to purchase the two in case one spoil. I have one just for backup. Like, I always like having backup. This is just me. And this is what let's just remove this so that we can see the mic. So this is what it looks like. This is those mic that you just connect to your clothes and you can talk whilst you are recording. So this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, this is what it looks like. I really loved it. It's really, really nice. And this is the one that you connect on your phone. It's a Bluetooth. You connect this on your phone, and then you can either, if you are doing let me say you're doing a video with two people, one person can wear this one and you can wear. But like I said, I picked these two for backup. Shipping take a little bit longer because this mic were not that really expensive, and I also got it during the time that they were having sales on AliExpress. So because of that, it was much more cheaper, and I didn't want to buy the fast delivery. I think it was around €7 normally. No, it was around €7 when I picked it up, because they were having sales on AliExpress with the mic. So I picked it up during the sale season, so shipping was a little bit longer. If I purchased the mic when it wasn't on sales, I should have received it long time ago, because Like I said, when you buy stuff on AliExpress above 10 euros, you get it in 12 days. But because they were having sales, so it was a little bit cheaper. It was under the 10 euros. So it took a while for me to get it, but I didn't mind because I already have mics that I'm using. It's just something I wanted to try and see if the quality will sound much more better. So this is what the mic look like. So now what you're going to do, you're going to charge this one. I think this one or this one. I think you're going to charge both. You're going to charge this one, and then I'm going to read the menu and see everything and how it works actually, because it looks like the thing is not even entering. So yeah, I'm just going to read the menu and see. Oh yeah, you have to charge this one. This is the one you have to charge. I thought you have to charge this one, but no, you have to charge this. You have to charge the mic that you're going to be using. So this is just a quick unboxing. I'm going to charge everything, and I will come back and do like a sit down and test it out. So this is just a quick unboxing showing you guys the mic, just a quick unboxing. And here you have the menu. I want to go through the menu and make sure that I understand it completely. Luckily they have in English, because normally when you buy stuff like this from AliExpress, it does come in Chinese and it's kind of sometimes frustrating to understand. So here, these are the menu. It's very easy, very explanatable. Okay, I can't get that word correctly, but anyway, so this is what you do. You charge it. I'm going to first leave it to charge, and then I'm going to come back and try to test it out to see how it works. Hopefully it's worth it. And yeah, I just want to come and do a quick unboxing. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. If you guys are interested with this mic, let me know. I will leave the link for you all in the description box. So this is the mic. Let me know what you all think. And Team Fullest, thank you all so much for your love and support, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace out. Bye. Doei.